welcome back to Science Techie 345. Today we're going to dive a few centuries back and get to know about the history of paper, which is nowadays used for paperwork in your offices where I'm standing right now. Friends, let's talk to Mr. Rashid for the history of paper. Hello, Mr. Rashid.
Hello, Bob.
So, Mr. Rashid, can you please tell us when paper was invented?
Paper was invented in 105 AD.
Who invented it?
The Chinese guy Kai Lun invented it, which is why China is called the birthplace of paper. He is also widely credited for the invention of paper, and he has also created the process of making modern paper.
Wow, Mr. Rashid, can you tell this modern process how to make modern paper?
So, normal paper is made by processing cellulose fibers, typically from wood, into a pulp, then draining and pressing the pulp to form a sheet. This sheet is then dried and can be further processed for specific uses.
Thank you, Mr. Rashid, for telling us a simple definition of how paper is made. So now, let's have a more detailed breakdown on how paper is made with Mr. Shukla. Hello, Mr. Shukla.
Hello, Bob.
So, Mr. Shukla, can you please tell us a detailed way of how paper is actually made?
Sure. So, normal paper is made by processing cellulose fibers, typically from wood, into a pulp, then draining and pressing the pulp to form a sheet. This sheet is then dried and then can be further processed for specific uses. This is just a simple definition. Now, I will explain it for a detailed breakdown. Number 1. Raw material preparations. Trees are harvested and then debarked, then chipped into small pieces. Pulping. The wood chips are processed to separate the cellulose fibers. This can be done mechanically or chemically. Then mechanical pulping grinds the wood into fibers, resulting in a lower quality paper. That's why chemical pulping uses chemicals to dissolve the lignin, a substance that binds fibers together, producing a higher quality pulp. Pulp processing. The pulp is washed, sometimes bleached, and refined to improve fiber quality. Then sheet formation. The pulp, now a slurry of water and fibers, is spread onto a wire of mesh screen. Dewatering. The water is now moved from the slurry by draining, pressing, and sometimes suction or vacuum. Now drying. The remaining water is removed by evaporation, often using heated rollers. Now finishing. The paper can be further processed, example, pressed/coated, for specific applications. Cutting and converting. Finally, the paper is cut into desired sizes and converted into various paper products. This is actually how paper is made.
Thank you, Mr. Shukla, for telling us how paper is made. Well, friends, now we already know how paper is formed and when was paper first made and who proposed the idea of it. Let's talk to Miss Lucy to ask her of how did we write before paper was even invented. So, Miss Lucy, can you please tell us what we even used to write on before paper was invented?
In parts of the world where clay wasn't readily available, people used to write on animal skins before the discovery of paper. While they can be used interchangeably, vellum or parchments refer to the same untanned animal skins that were used throughout the history for writing purposes.
Thank you, Miss Lucy. So now we know when was first paper invented and how is the normal process of inventing paper and what we even used to write on before paper was invented. I'm not gonna end this video without a little quiz, but I'll be asking only a few questions, okay? So don't be disappointed. So, question number 1. When was paper first invented? I am giving you 10 seconds for this one. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time's up. The correct answer is 105 AD. If you got this answer correct, just give yourself a thumbs up. If you didn't get this answer correct, just try to do it better next time. We learn from our mistakes. Question number 2. Who invented the first paper? I am also giving you 10 seconds for this one. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the correct answer is Kai Lun. If you got this answer correct, just give yourself a thumbs up. If you didn't get this answer correct, just try to do it better next time. We learn from our mistakes. So alright guys, today's video ends in here. Well, somebody needs to tell about the history. So happy to provide you with knowledge about history of paper. Thank you guys, like the video, and goodbye.